I didn't miss much.
Nobody told me about this.
Wouldn't be a surprise inspection if we called ahead.
Well, the plan was to ensure using his money wisely. So, we're here to take a look at Little Wing shoulder-fired launchers and missiles, the specs, manufacturing protocols, order and
Hi,
delivery
babe.
schedules.
Delivery schedule.
What's your snacks?
10 minutes ago. That's the delivery schedule. The whole lot just went out the door. All.
Hey, that's my Doritos.
Hmm?
That's my Doritos.
Here's the paperwork.
Victoria.
Someone
That one.
had called me first.
What's that?
Now,
Cheetos. It's Cheetos. Good.
What are you doing now?
While watching Richard. Snacks. Snacks. Oh my god.